Hello, it's Amy with Just a Little Ink. I'm an independent demonstrator with Stampin' Up, and I'd like to share today an alternative project for the Gifts Galore Paper Pumpkin Kit that was available in November of this year. I thought it was kind of a fun kit, and I loved all the little gift boxes, but I didn't need 9 of them. And so I took one of the elements that would go on the front of one of these little boxes, and I cut a little slit in it and attached it to the front of a card that I made. It's a little bigger, and so I made my own envelope to fit in it. It's a 10-inch by 7.5 inches overall, when you open it all up, card that holds a gift card in the inside. You're also going to need some of our little 3x3 envelopes. So I've got a gift card, one of my elements from the kit. You have to be a subscriber in order to purchase the kits. You also need to be a subscriber in order to buy refill kits. But you can purchase prepaid subscriptions, so you can sign up and then purchase a prepaid subscription actually in the beginning of January, when it is our next celebration round, and you can earn some freebies in addition. And then you just need to make sure you get over to your account and enter the code that you'll receive, and then you won't be billed for the first few months or year or however long you decide to do your kit. I did a score along the 10-inch side at 5 inches so that my finished card is 5 by 7.5. I've got my element here. I've got a little teeny scoring pad. I'm going to put a slit here on this between the two. I need to pull out here, and I need to grab my X-Acto knife. I'm going to put a slit large enough for my gift card so I can line it up. I know that it's not the full length, but it's close. Come just a little higher here. I need a straight edge. I'm going to put a slit from about here. I'm going to come all the way over to about here. And I'll know then that that is large enough for my gift card. Put all these other things away. Make sure that it fits in there. Oh yeah, seems like so. My little hint to hold all of this, I've got this 3x3 envelope. I'm going to pull out my scoring tool. And I want to cut off the flap. Like so. And I want to attach it so that the underside piece is glued down. I'm going to use my liquid glue. I only want to glue on 3 sides. So I'm going to glue here, all the edges. There is a marking on the back where your box would have gone. And if you line it up in center, right about that line, and come over, you'll note that it's just about the right length here. Put it on the back side. That gives me a place so that when I enter my, so it keeps it in there, and then it won't go beyond. It'll hold it. It's kind of a neat little tool. So then I want to decorate the front of my card. So I'm using the little snowflake stamp that came with this kit. And then use some Pool Party ink. That's what this paper is. And I'm just going to stamp all the way around. You can do as much or as little. I just keep twisting the stamp, and then I know that it's covered. Do the same thing here. Again, you can do as much or as little as you want. On the other card I went all the way around. I think on this one, I'm just going to, mainly for the sake of you watching me and the fact that I think it can be just as pretty, I'm not going to go that far. So set that back out of the way. So I have a little bit of stamping on both ends. Could do it all around if I wanted. I'm going to put some dimensionals on the back. And I'm just going to use my minis because that's what I have. So pick it in here, come and grab just along all the little edges of these boxes. Grab one down here, keeps it all popped up like so. And I'm going to pull all these off. You could make this a gift card. You could make it a birthday card or a gift card, a thank you card, a birthday card, a Christmas card. I had done the previous one as a Christmas card. So I'm going to come in. I want to center for the most part. And then I had already stamped on these little squares, the Oh What Fun, or squares, circles, all the Oh What Fun. And I'm just going to come and put a little bit of adhesive on the back. I could use my stamp and seal if I wanted. And I kind of thought it was kind of cute just hanging it over here. Like so. And then I'm going to grab my gift card, slide it in. And then I want to put some embellishment. So I'm using the Wonderful Gems. I like these clear ones with a little bit of gold in them. I'm going to come and I just want to stick little gems just to bling it up a little bit into all of these centers of these bows that are straight. And I could come and put a couple extras other places. As many or as little as you want. Kind of fun. And then for the inside, again, you can choose to do what you want, but I thought it would be fun to do it using the Flirty Flamingo. That is the ink spot that came with this kit. And I'm going to use the Merry Christmas on the inside. Something fairly simple. Gives you room to write a cute little message. You could put more of your snowflakes on the inside if you wanted, but I'm going to keep it really pretty simple. So, super, super cute. I know this has been a very popular kit. And I just today received the December kit, so I'm excited to play with it. But I hope that you'll consider making a little gift card. Thank you so much for joining me. All of the supplies and measurements will be on my blog, justalittle.ink.com. You can purchase your prepaid gift card, your prepaid code from me, through me, at justalittle.ink.stampinup.net. They come in a 1 month, 3 month, 6 month, or 12 month prepaid codes. And I hope that you will subscribe to my channel. Please like and share this video, and I'll look forward to seeing you again soon. Bye. Merry Christmas.